A massive underwater volcanic eruption occurred in Tonga. This volcano eruption was captured in a stunning satellite video. It triggered a tsunami that flooded Pacific coastlines from Japan to the United States. It was so powerful that it was heard 10,000 km away in Alaska. Communications with the small island nation remained cut off hours after this incident. Scientists recorded this eruption as equivalent to a 5.8 magnitude earthquake. For more science updates, follow the Go Physics